Welcome to Crochet Techniques with Melissa from cmelissacraft.com. To make a standing double crochet 2 together, you would start with a slip knot on your hook, yarn over as you hold the loop on your hook steady. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we're going to finish our double crochet 2 together by yarning over, inserting into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3. So now we've begun a row or round with a double crochet 2 together.